Hi everyone, we are in San Francisco at PhotonicsWest 2020 with the Freeform Optics Plus Growth Pro, and I'm now with asphericon. This is Alex, CEO of this company, being part of the project. Alex, what is your role within Freeform Optics Plus?
The role of asphericon is to make the components, the freeform components, and of course especially make them from pure silica and glass, really to allow for really high power applications.
Okay, so and what is your specialty? What are you think you're most front up?
Well, our core competence is really to manufacture the freeform components and also to be able to measure them.
Okay, good. And what is your message to the customer when it comes to future in freeform optics?
Well, the message I think is HPs over the past years were to be made the standard, and they are the standard now, and now it's about making the freeform standard.
Thank you so much and good luck for the show, Alex.
Thank you.